our subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily delete user from your Mac. So for doing this you just need to go to System Preferences, so just open it. Now you need to choose here users and groups. Now you need to tap on log here. So now just enter your password to unlock, and now you choose user you want to delete, for example this one, and you just tap on minus button. So here you can see, are you sure you want to delete the user account Max? To delete this user account, select what you want to do with the home folder for this account and then click delete user. So here you can see, save the home folder in a disk image, don't change or delete the home folder, and just tap delete user. So now here you can see that we successfully delete user. So just tap on log button here, and now you successfully close SS for making changes. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.